In this video, I'll show you how to add a wishlist feature to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. Adding a wishlist helps your customers save products for later, improving their shopping experience and increasing your store's engagement and sales. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. In the Apps section, search for Wishlist Plus, a popular app that makes adding wishlists simple. If you haven't installed it yet, follow the on-screen instructions to install and activate the app. Once installed, open Wishlist Plus from your apps and click Get Started. The app will guide you through basic setup and customization options to match your store's branding. Next, integrate the wishlist with your store's theme. Click Go to Theme Editor to open Shopify's customization page. The Wishlist Plus app will automatically place the wishlist button on your product pages. Check the placement and appearance of the wishlist button, adjust if necessary, and make sure it matches your branding. Once everything looks perfect, click Save to apply the changes. That's it. Your Shopify store now has a fully functional wishlist feature, enhancing the shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.